Singapore could be on track for its biggest collective sale this year. Boon Liat Building has been sold with conditions attached in an en bloc exercise to a unit of Kingsford Group. If approved, analysts say the freehold site could be redeveloped into a project with at least 800 homes. Alxis Thng reports.
This was one of Singapore's earliest high-rise industrial buildings. Now it could be sold for 950 million Singapore dollars if at least 80% of the building's owners agree. The asking price is down from the 1.15 billion Singapore dollars reserve set when it first went up for sale in February 2025. But some are still keen to sell because
the building is aging. All the lifts need replacement. That has to come out of the owner's pocket. In reality, water pipes need to be repaired. So there's actually a lot of capital costs coming if we don't do the en bloc, which has to come out of the owner's.
Boon Liat Building has freehold tenure and sits above an MRT station. According to real estate firm Cushman & Wakefield, the site could be rezoned to become a residential and commercial development, allowing for a project with twin skyscrapers of up to 48 stories. Analysts say such a development would draw interest from all sides.
Upgraders would definitely be excited to look into it, especially when they are 99 years leasehold property. They don't mind to upgrade to a freehold property. First timer, they also wouldn't mind because it's so convenient, right? One stop, the MRT is just right below Havelock area. So which also makes, in terms of commitment, commute to any part of the city much more easier for them. As for investor who really wants to buy a property for rental purposes, for you definitely will be looking into this as well.
Recent launches in the area also point to strong buyer demand. Nearby projects such as Zion Grand and River Modern sold over 80% of the units at launch, with prices above 3,000 Singapore dollars per square foot. One analyst says a future project on the site could command similar prices, given the flexibility around building design.
URA also will advise the potential buyers to also amalgamate the remnant site surrounding or beside this area. So this will give them additional floor areas, additional land area. With the additional remnant site, it will give them a lot more flexibility, adding more amenities and facility to make this project much more luxury kind of development in this area.
For now, any transaction remains subject to regulatory approval. An extraordinary general meeting will also be called for owners to vote on the collective sale.